Welcome to the Thomson Reuters ProView Practice Series. In this video, we'll cover the ability to create annotations to your ProView titles. You can create three types of annotation to ProView titles: bookmarks, highlights, and notes. You can create bookmarks in ProView titles and then organize them using colors and labels. First, choose the ribbon icon in the upper right portion of the page. Next, choose a color for the bookmark. Optionally, you can add a description of the bookmark, or you can modify the color label. Modifying the color label will change that label for all bookmarks that use this color. Creating a highlight and creating a note both begin by selecting text within the title. After you select the text, you'll see an action menu open up at the end of the selection. The first option on the menu is Highlight. When you select Highlight, you can choose a color label for the highlight. If you choose Edit and then select a color, you can modify the color label. Modifying the color label will change that label for all annotations that use this color. To create a note, first select some text. Choose Add Note from the action menu at the end of the selection, and you'll see the Note dialog box. You can add your note text in the left side of the dialog box and choose a color for the note icon on the right side. Again, you can modify the color label if you choose Edit and then select a color. When you're done creating your note and choosing a color, you can save the note or delete it and start over. You can see a list of all your annotations for a specific title in the Annotations panel. To open the panel, select the Annotations icon on the left side of the title view. All your bookmarks, highlights, and notes are listed. You can filter the annotations list by using the bookmarks, highlights, notes, or color wheel buttons at the top of the panel. You can also filter the list by typing a term you're looking for in the Filter Annotations field. The individual annotations include an icon for each type of annotation, the highlighted text or page number for the bookmark, the time the annotation was created, and the name of the section the annotation is within. If you click on the individual annotations, you'll navigate to the page where the annotations are located. You can also delete a selected annotation. This concludes ProView's overview of creating annotations to your ProView titles. To continue with the ProView Practice Series, please click on the next video that covers importing annotations from one title to another. Thomson Reuters ProView. Your book's powered up. For more information, visit us at legalsolutions.tr.com/ProView.